Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Unfortunately, I don't have a lesson today, but I wanted to make a short video to explain to you why I haven't been posting since last year and what is coming this year. Because good things are coming this year. So if you were part of my 30-day challenge in January, you know that I had to abruptly stop work in mid-January. So I was sending an email every day with a new task in January. And on the 15th, I sent my daily task at 9 a.m. And at 1 p.m., I sent another email saying that I was canceling the challenge and I don't know when I will be back. So what happens? I can talk about it now because I'm able to put things into words, but I was not at that time. Basically, my mom's health declined in January, declined a lot. And while I was still able to work at the same time as getting all the news and everything, on January 15, my brother called me to say that I have to come home. Keep in mind that I live 20 hours away from my home country by plane. So I had to drop everything, book a flight, and basically just pack my suitcase and go. I stayed with my mom for a month in the hospital, and I am now back to work. I've been actually back with Douglas, my husband, and Beefy, my dog, for a little bit now, but it took me a little bit longer to come back visually to film videos. It was just not a fun time, you know? So my mom is still in the hospital, but she's doing much better. She's out of danger now. She doesn't have any tube or anything. She will be in the hospital for a few more months, 2 or 3, but everything is going well. We are getting good news every day, so it's pretty great. But yeah, I spent 1 month there and now I am back and she's doing better, so everything is much better. I just couldn't work at the same time and I couldn't film videos or anything. It was just, you know, there are times like that in your life that it's just not, yeah, you can only focus on one thing at a time, and that time was my mom, so here we go. So that's why I haven't posted in a few months beside my word of the day email, which really kept me grounded a little bit because it was pretty crazy. But I am back, so let's talk about what is coming this year or the new things that I've already for you. All the links related to what I'm going to talk today are going to be in the description box. So the first thing I want to talk about is audiobooks. My French short stories, French short stories and long stories, so the 3 books, are going to be available as audiobooks this year. So when you buy them right now, you have the story, you have the audio of the story itself, but you don't have everything related to it because honestly I've never done it, so it's quite a little bit of a project, but it is going to be available this year. So full audiobook for the 3 storybooks. Another thing that I have to update you on is just my books in general. I have not published a book since 2024. It's hard to believe because it's been such a big part of me to release books and textbooks and things. I have not released one since 2024, but I will have 2 coming this year. There will be smaller books. So the smaller books like imparfait versus passé composé, ou passé composé versus imparfait, and the French Subjunctive. So they are books on a very specific topic with 1 long video. So that would be exactly the same thing. But not focus on conjugation, that's the part. Just 1 topic, 1 video, but that's not about conjugation. Just the same type of books. I have a long list of complicated lessons I want to share, but they take a little bit longer to write and to film and get all ready. So I will be posting less, but more in-depth lesson this year, at least until I'm done with that list of the ones I've been meant to share forever. And then maybe by then I will start posting again every week. But for now, while I get to that list of longer video lesson, I want to post every 2 weeks because I just want to, you know, give you time to process them and also give me time to write them. For example, in 2 weeks, I will have a lesson about French connectors for A1, A2, and 2 weeks after that, French connectors for B1, B2. So less video lesson, but better one, more complicated ones. Short videos. I will be sharing short videos again starting this Friday. So this video is coming up on Wednesday. I'll be sharing videos, short videos again on Friday. Very excited about that. My French word of the day. So my French word of the day series has been going strong since December 2024 already. I just redid the landing page. So now when you go to the landing page, you can see all the words of the day that I published in chronological order. Struggle with that word. And the related lesson. So if you don't know what to learn one day, you can just go down the list, find the words, and it's related lesson, and then here you go. You have a good 30 minutes of learning. I've also redone the page for all the verbs I've published from A to Z. So it's much easier to navigate now. All the verbs on my website are conjugated in all tense that you should know with translation in English and audio. Audio recorded by me, there is no AI on my websites. It takes some time, but I think it's worth it. So, when you go to listen to it, it's always my voice. And finally, the French subjunctive from A to Z. So the last page I redid on my website is the subjunctive. So you have all the verbs, all the conjunctions, and all the expression taking the subjunctive with example audio, everything. So you can just go down the list and learn as you go. And I believe that's it. That's all the thing I wanted to talk about. All the links for the things I talked about today, all the pages will be in the description box. And actually, I want to share one last thing. I believe when I'm filming this video, we are at 298,000 French learners. And when I post this video, we should be at 300,000, I think, or close. So I just wanted to say a big thank you for following me. I meant to do a big celebration for 250,000, but apparently we're already at 300. So I will have a big celebration this year, making a big, I don't know, big giveaway or something. I will do it. This year will be the year I will do it. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you in 2 weeks for a lesson about French connectors for A1 and A2. À bientôt.